Good day, I'm Edmar Arce, a civil technology major in Batangas State University, the National Engineering University. I am passionate about construction, innovation, and creating structures that improves people's lives. Throughout my academic journey, I've developed a strong foundation in construction management, structural analysis, and material testing. I work on several hands-on projects involving concrete design, surveying, and drafting using AutoCAD and SketchUp. One of my achievements was leading a project that used phase-changing materials in concrete to help reduce heat, a great example of teamwork and sustainable design. In addition to technical knowledge, I've also gained experience in estimating, planning, and supervision during my college life. There, I learned how to manage time efficiently, ensure safety compliance, and communicate effectively with other people. I'm eager to apply my knowledge and creativity to a real-world project that make a difference. Once again, I am Edmar M. Arce, a dedicated civil technology major ready to build a stronger and sustainable future. Thank you.